What's going on, guys? The Mint Garage here, back at it again for another video. In this video, we're doing something a little bit more simple. We're welding the rear diff. Let me show you guys. As you can see, hold on, you can't see, but the rear diff is gone. So if you want to know how to do that, you take these bolts out right here, the 6 of them on each axle, and from there, let me show you. There's one right here, one that I pushed up right there. These are two 12 millimeter bolts, and these right here are 14 millimeters. You're gonna need 2 wrenches to loosen these. 17 millimeter, and then these two right here are 17 millimeters, right there and right there. I can see, boom, boom. Long ass bolts, and this is the one for the back. Now to get a quick update about the motor. We're gonna get a new motor mount because this one is fucked. The threads are fucked. I mean, you could probably see a little bit right there. The threads are just ate up, so the nut just spins on there. Once I get the new motor mount tomorrow, we can square the motor away. But yeah, so you can see we got the diff cover off, a bunch of bolts right here. About to weld this up. Got the homie right here, welder.
Professional.
So I like to use a T mattress, a circle. I can see that shit good to go.
Oh, y'all, man, I'm Picasso with it, bro. You better stop playing with me.
Yeah. So as you guys can see, we got the rear diff back up. Everything bolted back in, some rear diff fluid in there, it's welded. You can see we got the drive shaft in there, transmission mount, everything's ready to go.
3,000 miles on it, go out there.
Where's it going now?
To the shop.
I don't think so. I think the previous owner, not him, but the other one. One before they had like.
We gotta run in the goddamn building. Come on! Just like that.
Don't worry, I would have caught all your deaths on camera.
Oh, shit. I love the trailer. Bad news. I love it. It's 2-4. Dead center. Hey, it's rolling. You got brakes? You got brakes or not?
Yes, I got fucking brakes. It's fucking hot, man.
Run it off here. Straighten it up.
That's 3. I only have 2.
Alright guys, right now I'm at C Motorsports, right here with Chris. I'll put his information down below. He works on all Jay-Z stuff, everything Jay-Z. If you guys are in the area, make sure you shout him out. I'll shout him out. Make sure you come through and get some work done. The work that he's done. This beautiful, beautiful Supra. Got this Supra in the back. What's supposed to be 1,200 horse? See the Supra, boy. Any crazy plans with the Supra?
Customer just put a deposit on a 1,000 horsepower build.
1,000 horsepower. It's Lexus. Jay-Z is everywhere. And that red one is yours, right? And that's the one with 1,200?
Yeah.
1,200 horse right there. Boom. And the black one? What about the black one? 1,000. Like I said, I'll put his information down below. He does everything. Literally everything. Wiring, intercooler, piping, exhaust, welding, you name it, he does it. All quality work. Thank you guys so much for watching. In this video, we covered over a lot. We went over a lot. The car has progressed so much in this one video. We'll be waiting about 3 weeks or so, maybe a little bit less, maybe a little bit more, to get the car back. We're getting exhaust work done. We're getting intercooler and piping work done. The wastegate coming out the hood. I'll put Chris's information for C C Motorsports in the description down below. Also, my buddy Ba, he welds really well. If you guys need any weld work, hit any of them up. Both amazing workers. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like button down below. Thank you.